Welcome back. Today we'll see Proxmox virtual environment post install using the script from Proxmox helper scripts. So this is from the community helper scripts or DTech helper script. Disable PV interface repository. Yes. PV no subscription repository disabled. Yes. Self package sources. No. Add disable PV test repository. Yes. But I would choose no because I am not using PVE test anyway. Disable subscription nag. Yes. Supporting the software development and there is a notification there. Disable high availability. Yes. Update PVE now. Yes. Disable CoroSync as well. Now it is updating the PVE. It would take a couple of minutes. Reboot PVE now. Recommended. Yes. Post install routines are completed. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.